Hello guys, today we will see how to extract the desired info in Excel. Let's change it. See, no change. Again change it. See, no change. But if our info change, the result will change. To do this, we will use 5 functions: repeat, substitute, find, mid, and finally trim. Repeat for repeating character set for declared time. Here D is repeated 3 times. The function can be seen here. Let's open the function. Here text is what to repeat and number is how many times. If I change it to 5, it will change accordingly. If character changed, the result also change. Remember, space is also a character. If I change it to space, result is invisible. Substitute can replace a character set by different character set. Here, the word sample from the phrase is replaced by example in next column. Let's open the function. Here, text is the whole phrase. Whole text is the character set to be replaced by other, in our case it's sample. And new text, the desired character set, here it's example. Here sample is replaced by example. And instance number is which instance to be replaced. By default, it's 1. If sample appears 2 times, then the first replaced. Now, if it's changed to 2, then the second example will be changed. Next function is find. It can find a match in a long character set. Let's open the function. Find text is the match of character set you looking for. Within text is the long character set or word or paragraph in which you are looking for. Start number is the number from which character set it will start to find, and the default is 1. Now we will play with this function. Next function is mid. Mid is a very common function, so it doesn't need any introduction. Next function is trim. What trim can do? Trim can replace all unnecessary space in a word or phrase or a paragraph. Now the main problem is how to extract the email ID from the phrase. The approach is we all replace the spaces with 50 times space first. Then find out the @ position of the email, then extract the phrase by mid and finally trim the unnecessary spaces. Now first step, to replace all the spaces with 50 times of spaces by using substitute and repeat function. Look, all the spaces are lengthy now. Next step, find out the position of @ in the above cell. It's sitting at 511 number sheet. So we need the email which lies in between 511 minus 50 to 511 plus 50 somewhere. Next, we will use mid. Text will be the stretch text. Start number will be the 511 minus 50. And character, we will take 511 plus 50 equal to 100 character. Now it has many unnecessary spaces. So we will finally trim it and clean it. Now the clear result we can see.